Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be going over some Dollar General digital coupon matchups, and we're also going to be going over a couple of scenarios that you can do Saturday, June 27th with that 5 off 25 digital coupon. So if you want to see what these deals are, just keep watching. Okay, first let's go over a few things you need to remember when shopping at Dollar General. The first thing is you need to scan every single item in the store with the app. The reason you're doing this is you are checking to make sure the price is coming up correctly, because you don't want to fall under $25 if you're trying to use that 5 off 25. You're also checking to see if any digital coupons are attaching, especially with Gain products. Some scents will attach the coupons and some scents will not. That is why it's so important to scan every single item in the store with the app. Again, the reason you're doing this is you want to make sure your total comes to $25 before coupons. So if something's on sale but it's not marked on the shelf, you may not know, which may make you be under $25, therefore your 5 off 25 would not come off at the register. Also, don't forget, if you're doing instant savings, like save $2 when you spend $7 on Dove products, let's say, you have to make sure your total is $27 before coupons for that 5 off 25 to come off. So whatever the instant savings amount is, you're going to add that to the $25 total. Also, remember to get what you need, not what is cheap. The reason I went to these coupon matchups is to kind of show you what you can get, and you can create your own scenarios. I will give you a couple of scenarios you can use as a guideline, but a lot of people don't want the cheap razors that are free practically. If you're anything like me, I'd rather spend $10 on things I'm actually going to use and want, rather than spend $5 and get a bunch of cheap razors that nobody's going to use. But if that's what you want to do, that's fine by me. If y'all don't like these coupon matchups, let me know in the comments below and I'll quit doing them. I just figured that it's easier to do it this way so you can make your own scenario. And now a quick rundown of how to use the app to scan your items. First thing you're going to do is open your app. Down at the bottom, right in the middle, it says list. You're going to click on that and it's going to open up your shopping list. Then up top, you're going to check and make sure that your location is the store that you are at. If not, you're going to hit change store and select the correct location. And finally, you're going to click on this little barcode and it's going to open up your scanner. I'm going to scan a few items from my stockpile to show you what we're looking for. First, let's scan this bottle of Gain dish soap. You'll see that there's a 50-cent coupon attaching to it, as well as the Gain 5 off 30 coupon. So you could use this item in a Gain scenario. Now let's add it to our cart. If we click right here where it says deals applied, it'll drop down and show you the coupon attached to that item. Let's go back up here and hit the scanner again, and we're going to go and scan another item. Here we are going to scan an Airwick multi-refill pack. Once we scan it, we are going to see that there are no coupons listed below, which means no coupons attached to this item. Now on to another item. We're going to scan a You Buy Kotex because I know there is a coupon that attaches to it. So let's pick it up here and scan it. So once we get it scanned, we will notice that there is going to be a $1 coupon attaching to it. The regular price is $3.60. With the $1 coupon, it lowers the price to $2.60. You want to make sure this little check mark is here. That means it is clipped to your account. One last final and quick thing is this subtotal at the bottom here on the right. Do not go by what this says. Sometimes it'll be correct, but more times than not, it will be incorrect. My suggestion is do a little old school math on a piece of paper with a pencil. Before we get to our scenarios, let's go ahead and run over a few coupon matchups. First up, we have the Gum brand dental soft picks 50 count. They are regular $3. We have a $1 digital, making them just $2. Next, we have this Dawn Platinum Power Wash dish spray. I actually love this stuff. It works so good. It's regular $4.95. We have a $1 digital, making it $3.95. Now, if you already have the sprayer, you can go ahead and pick this up for $3.95. Use that $1 off digital, making it just $2.95. Next, we have the Secret Outlast Clear Gel. It is regular $5. There's a $1 off digital coupon, making it just $4. A little pricey for me, but maybe that's what you like to use, so go ahead and grab it. Here we have the Degree Men's and Women's Dry Spray. They're regular $5. There is a $1.25 off digital coupon plus a $1 Dollar General digital coupon. You can use both of these coupons because one is a digital manufacturer's coupon and one is a store coupon. These will actually be $2.75 after the coupons, not $1.75. It was showing up as $1.75 because I had an Axe body spray in my cart as well. Next, we have the Cottonelle flushable wipes. They're regular $3. We have a 50-cent digital coupon, making them just $2.50. We have some Welch's juice. It's regular $3.65. There's a $1 off digital coupon, making it $2.65. We have 22 ounces of Olay Moisture Body Wash. They're regular $6. We have a $1 off digital coupon, making it just $5. Next, we have a 2-count of Olay Beauty Bars. They are $2.50. There's a 50-cent digital coupon, making them just $2. Next, we have the bacon strips. They're on sale 3 for $5. We have a $1 off 3 digital coupon, making them just $4 for 3. Now we have the 5.7 ounce Gain fireworks. They're $3.95. We have a $1 off digital, making them just $2.95. Next, we have the 41 ounce Gain fabric softener, the 48 loads. It is $3.95. We have a $1 off digital, making it $2.95. Next, we have the Gain liquid laundry detergent. The 48 load bottle is the bigger bottle for $7.50. We have a $1 off digital, making it $6.50. Here's another fabric softener, $3.95, $1 off digital, making it $2.95. Also another Gain fabric softener. This one's 21 loads. It's kind of more watery to me. It's regular $3. There's a $1 off digital, making it just $2. This here is a glitch, but here's the Gain fireworks. It's a 10-ounce bottle. There's a $4 off digital coupon attaching to it, which should not attach because you're supposed to buy 2 items in order to get the $4. The regular $6.95. That $4 coupon is attaching, making it just $2.95. Now, if you want dryer sheets, here we have a 60-count box of Gain dryer sheets. They're regular $3, $1 off digital coupon attaches, making it just $2. But if you jump up to the 105-count box of dryer sheets, they are $3.95. A $2 off digital will attach to it, making it just $1.95. Or you can go with the 34-count box of dryer sheets. The regular $2, the $1 off digital attaches to it, making it just $1. So there's several different ways to play with the Gain dryer sheets. Next, we have the Downy dryer sheet 90-count. They're $4.50. There's a $1 off digital that attaches, making them just $3.50. Same scenario with the Downy scent beads. They're $4.50. That $1 digital attaches, making them $3.50. Or you can go with the Downy liquid fabric softener, which is also $4.50. That $1 off digital attaches, making it $3.50. Okay, now we have some Always Radiant pads. They're normal $4. You have a $1 off digital that attaches, making them just $3. Or if you want to go with the Always Extra Heavy overnight pads with wings, they're $5.50 regular. That $1 off digital attaches, making them $4.50. Next, we have Tampax Pocket Pearl tampons. They are $4 regular. There's a $2 digital that attaches, making them just $2. Okay, this one is probably my favorite deal by far. This is the Dove Twin Pack. It's got 2 Dove deodorants in each pack. You're going to pick up 2 of them. They're $3.75 each. We have a $2.50 off 2 manufacturer coupon, and we also have a $2 off when you spend 7 store coupon. So you're going to pick up 4 total bars. It's going to be 2 2-packs, and it's going to be $3. So that's like spending 75 cents per deodorant. But then you're going to scan your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and Fetch is going to give you back at least $1, which means you're going to spend $2 for 4 total Dove deodorants, making it just 50 cents per stick of deodorant, which is an amazing deal. And if you aren't signed up for Fetch yet, you'll get 2,000 bonus points when you scan your first receipt, which is equal to $2. So if you're brand new to Fetch, if you use my referral code, you'll be getting these deodorants completely free because you will get the $2 for signing up using my referral code, and you'll get the $1 back for the Dove promotion. Therefore, you will pay nothing for these deodorants. Before we go any further, let me tell you about Fetch Rewards. If you are truly serious about couponing and saving money, then you need to download this app. Fetch is the easiest app to use. They have over 300 participating brands. Basically, if you buy one of their 300 participating brands, Fetch gives you cash back. They also have bonus points they give for certain products that are featured on their Discover page. Even if your receipt doesn't have any participating brands, you'll still get 25 points. You can scan up to 14 receipts in a 7-day period. So if you don't already have Fetch Rewards, go ahead and download the app. You can use my referral code, BRYQQ. Okay, moving right along, we have the 2-count Glade plug-in oil refills. They're regular $5. There's a $1.50 digital coupon, making them just $3.50. Here's another one. This one I'm just throwing out there because it's summertime. People may need it. The Kingsford Charcoals, $13 for a big bag. There's a $3.05 off one digital coupon. That's a very weird number, but whatever. If you use that coupon, it'll make it just $9.95. I'm throwing this little quick scenario out there because my mom loves this coconut shampoo. They're $1 a piece. There's a store digital coupon for $3 off when you spend 10. Pick up 10 of these $1 bottles of Suave shampoo and conditioners. Use that coupon. You'll pay $7 for 10 whole bottles or just 70 cents a piece. Throw that into a 5 off 25 scenario and you've got a pretty good deal. Using that same digital coupon, the 3 off $10 purchase, you can pick up 2 of the Love Beauty Planet shampoo conditioners. They are $5 each, making it a total of $10, which is the threshold you need to make that coupon work. So you'll get both of them for $7 or $3.50 each. Here's a Reese's deal you can do. You can pick up 7 of those $1 pack of Reese's peanut butter cups or the Reese's other flavors they have. They're $1 a piece. Pick up 7 of them. If you spend $7, you get to use this $2 off digital store coupon, making it just $5 for 7 packs of Reese's peanut butter cups. Here's a Snuggle Renews It value pack. It's got 3 of the Snuggle Renews It's in it. There's a $1 off digital coupon that attaches. They're $2.75 regular, making them just $1.75. And here's the single Renews It. You can pick up 6 of these. They're $1 a piece. It'll make it $6. Here's a $2 off when you purchase 6 digital coupon, making it just $4 for all 6 of them, which is 66 cents a piece. And next we have these twin packs of Airwick oil refills. They are $5. There's a $2 off digital attaching, making them just $3. Here's some Gain dish soap. They're $2 a piece. You pick up 2 of them. You get to save $1 off 2, making them just $3 for 2 or $1.50 each. Here's the Friskies cat food. They are regular $4.50 each. If you pick up 3 of them, you have a buy 2, get 1 free digital coupon, making them $9 for 3 or just $3 per bag. Now we have some Gold Bond lotion. It's $4.25. There's a $2 off digital coupon, making it just $2.25. Now a few razor deals. Here's the Gillette Venus 3-count razors. They are regular $7. There's a $3 off digital that attaches to them, making them just $4. And the last one that I'm going to do is this Tide Simply Oxy liquid detergent. It's the $6.95 one. It's the bigger one. This $2 off Tide digital coupon attaches to it, making it just $4.95 for that. There are so many other digital coupons I could go over, but seriously, this video is already going to be 15 minutes long. So I'm going to go ahead and throw up a few scenarios that you can do on Saturday for the 5 off 25. I'm not going to talk you through these because you know how this works pretty much, but here are the scenarios. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. I want to thank you for taking time to watch my video. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, hit the little bell, turn on the notifications to all so you get a notification anytime I post a video. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And until next time, goodbye.